Your home stays messy no matter how much you clean. The real problem? You're working harder, not smarter. We talked to 12 professional cleaners who revealed their secrets for keeping homes spotless with less effort. These methods will change how you think about cleaning forever. I'm Marcus, and this is Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly tips. Drop a like if you want a cleaner home without the struggle.
Secret 1. Use technology to check your cleaning products. Many cleaning products contain ingredients that harm your health. James Dudra from Therapy Clean suggests a simple solution. Download an app called ThinkDirty on your phone. Point your camera at any cleaning product barcode and scan it. Within seconds, the app shows you every ingredient inside that bottle. The app explains what each chemical does and rates how safe it is for your family. No more guessing about mysterious ingredients. You'll know exactly what you're bringing into your home before you buy it. This takes 30 seconds and protects your health for years. Knowledge gives you power. When you understand what's in your cleaning supplies, you make better choices. The app is free and simple to use. Start checking your products today.
Secret 2. Set up a daily routine that actually works. Becky Rappenchuk created a system she calls Clean Mama. Her secret? Clean specific items every single day instead of doing everything at once. This approach takes just minutes, but keeps your home consistently neat. She built this routine into the Cozy app, which helps families stay organized. The app is free and reminds everyone in your household about their tasks. No more arguments about who should do what, no more claiming someone forgot their chores. The system works because small daily actions prevent big messes from forming. 10 minutes each day beats 3 hours every weekend. Your home stays cleaner with less total effort. The app keeps everyone on track automatically.
Secret 3. Turn chores into fun activities. Alicia Sokolowski runs Aspen Clean and knows getting kids to clean feels impossible. Her solution transforms boring tasks into games. Apps like Our Home and Toady award points for completed chores. Children earn virtual rewards as they finish each task. Suddenly, they want to clean their rooms. They compete to see who can earn more points. What used to require nagging now happens naturally. These apps work great for roommates, too. Everyone sees who completed their assigned tasks. The friendly competition keeps everyone motivated. Shared homes stay cleaner when everyone participates. Both apps let you customize tasks and point values. Set them up once and watch your household transform. Cleaning becomes something people actually want to do. Secret 4. Create your own safe cleaning solution. Leanne Staff works as COO at the Cleaning Authority. She recommends making an all-purpose cleaner at home. This saves money and eliminates harsh chemicals. Get a glass spray bottle you can reuse. Add 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and 10 drops of tea tree oil. Shake it gently to mix everything together. That's it. You now have a powerful cleaner that works on most surfaces. This mixture handles countertops, sinks, appliances, and bathroom fixtures. The tea tree oil kills germs naturally. The dish soap cuts through grease. Water dilutes everything to a safe level. One batch costs pennies and lasts weeks. No toxic fumes, no mystery chemicals. Just effective cleaning that's safe for your family and pets. Mix a fresh batch whenever you run out.
Secret 5. Choose concentrated products. Morgan Eberhardt studies cleaning products at P&G. Her research shows concentrated cleaners work better for your home and the planet. Products like Dawn Ultra contain less water and more cleaning power. These formulas need smaller amounts to clean effectively. 1 drop does the work of 3 from regular products. You use less product, which means fewer bottles to buy and throw away. Manufacturing and shipping concentrated products creates less pollution. The smaller bottles take up less space in trucks. Less weight means less fuel burned during transport. Your purchase helps reduce carbon emissions. The bottles also fit better in your cabinets. They cost the same or less than regular products, but last much longer. You save money while helping the environment. That's a win for everyone.
Secret 6. Avoid brightly colored cleaning products. Lindsay Dross and Christy Lord founded Levant Collective, which makes plant-based cleaners. They warn shoppers about one red flag when buying products. Bright colors and cleaning solutions serve no purpose except making them look pretty. Dyes and artificial colors don't improve cleaning power at all. They just make the liquid look more appealing on store shelves. These extra chemicals can irritate skin or trigger allergies. Why expose yourself to unnecessary ingredients? Effective cleaners can be clear or naturally colored. When shopping, choose products that skip the artificial dyes. Read ingredient lists and avoid anything with color or dye listed. Your skin and lungs will thank you. Natural cleaning happens through chemistry, not appearance. A clear solution works just as well as a blue or green one. Don't let marketing tricks fool you into choosing less healthy options.
Secret 7. Switch to earth-friendly tools. Ryan McKenzie started True Earth to help people clean sustainably. He suggests swapping just a few items to make a big difference. You don't need to change everything at once. Start small and build better habits gradually. Replace paper towels with Swedish dishcloths. These reusable cloths absorb 20 times their weight in liquid. Rinse them out and use them again. One cloth replaces rolls of paper towels. They last for months before wearing out. Throw away plastic toilet brushes and buy bamboo ones instead. Natural bristles clean just as well. Bamboo grows quickly and breaks down naturally when disposed of. The handles look nicer too. Try EcoStrip laundry detergent instead of liquid bottles. These thin strips dissolve completely in water. They come in cardboard packaging instead of plastic jugs. They weigh almost nothing, reducing shipping emissions. Your clothes get just as clean. Small swaps add up to major environmental benefits. You reduce plastic waste, save space, and often spend less money. Each change makes your home a little healthier.
Secret 8. Never skip the quick clean. Katie Berry runs Housewife How-Tos and shares crucial advice. Waiting for the perfect time to deep clean means your house never gets cleaned. Life always brings new interruptions. Something urgent always appears. Instead, schedule cleaning like any important appointment. Add it to your calendar. Treat it like a commitment you keep. 5 minutes each day beats 0 minutes all week. People often think cleaning only counts when they do everything perfectly. They won't wipe the counter unless they clear everything off first. They skip vacuuming unless they plan to do the whole house. This mindset keeps homes dirty. Quick efforts matter more than you realize. Wiping up a spill right away prevents a sticky mess later. Vacuuming high-traffic areas takes 2 minutes but makes your home look cared for. These small actions prevent bigger problems. Your home doesn't need perfection. It needs regular attention. A slightly lived-in look beats total chaos any day. Do what you can, when you can. Those quick cleans add up to real results.
Secret 9. Clean from top to bottom. Jennifer Rodriguez serves as Chief Hygiene Officer for ProHousekeepers.com. She teaches a specific method that saves time and effort. Always start cleaning in the room farthest from your front door. Work your way back toward the entrance. Within each room, begin at the ceiling and move downward. Dust ceiling fans and light fixtures first. Then clean shelves and surfaces. Finish with floors last. This prevents you from dirtying areas you already cleaned. Dusting high surfaces causes particles to fall down. If you already cleaned the floor, now you need to vacuum again. That's wasted effort. Following the top to bottom rule means you clean each spot only once. The same logic applies to moving through your home. Starting far away and working toward the exit helps you avoid walking through cleaned areas. Your last room stays perfect because you're not tracking dirt through it afterward. This system feels more efficient because you never backtrack. You move through your home methodically and finish faster. Professional cleaners use this method because it works every single time.
Secret 10. Make air fryer cleaning simple. Catherine Peacock founded Tidy Milso and loves practical solutions. Her family uses their air fryer constantly, which means constant cleanup. She discovered one tool that eliminated this hassle completely. Buy a silicone liner that fits your air fryer basket. These heat-resistant mats catch all the grease and food particles. After cooking, remove the liner and wash it. The basket underneath stays spotless. Silicone liners go right in the dishwasher, or wash them by hand in seconds under hot water. They last for years without wearing out. One liner costs less than $15, but saves hundreds of cleanups. Your air fryer basket never gets crusty buildup. No more scrubbing stuck on food. No more soaking overnight. Just remove the liner, clean it, and you're done. The basket stays like new. Simple solutions make life easier. Look for tools that prevent messes instead of just cleaning them up. Prevention saves time and energy.
Secret 11. Add filters and air purifiers. Tracy Fournier manages operations at 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. She explains how better air quality makes cleaning much easier. When you reduce dust in the air, less dust settles on your surfaces. Install HEPA filters in your heating and cooling system. These filters catch tiny particles regular filters miss. They trap pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens. Cleaner air means cleaner surfaces throughout your home. Whole house air purifiers work even better than filters alone. These systems actively remove particles from circulating air. They catch pollutants before those particles land on your furniture and floors. You dust less often because there's less dust to deal with. Replace filters on schedule to maintain performance. Mark your calendar for every 3 months. Clean filters work efficiently. Clogged filters make your system work harder and clean less effectively. Better air quality improves your health, too. You breathe easier, allergies bother you less, your home feels fresher. This investment pays off in comfort and reduced cleaning time.
Secret 12. Never mix different cleaning chemicals. Anne Helmstein founded Science Notes and holds a PhD in chemistry. She issues a serious warning about dangerous cleaning mistakes. Never combine different cleaning products, even if online videos claim it works better. Many people mix vinegar with bleach, hoping to boost disinfecting power. This creates chlorine gas, which is extremely toxic. Breathing this gas damages your lungs and can kill you. The slightly stronger disinfection isn't worth risking your life. Bleach reacts with many common household chemicals to create poisonous gases. Ammonia and bleach together produce a different toxic gas. Even some bathroom cleaners react dangerously when mixed. These reactions happen fast and release harmful fumes immediately. Use one product at a time. Follow package directions exactly. If a cleaner says not to mix it with other products, take that warning seriously. Chemical companies test their products and understand the risks. When switching between different cleaners, rinse the surface completely first. Don't let one product come in contact with another. Wait for surfaces to dry before applying a different cleaner. These precautions keep you safe. Cleaning should improve your health, not threaten it. Respect the power of chemicals and use them carefully. Simple caution prevents tragic accidents.
These 12 tips come straight from people who clean for a living.
They've tested thousands of methods and products. They know what actually works versus what just sounds good. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive products. You need smart systems and safe techniques. Small changes in how you approach cleaning create huge differences in results. Start with 1 or 2 tips that fit your life right now. Try the homemade cleaner or download one of the organizing apps. See how these professional methods work for you. Then add more tips gradually. Remember to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical advice every week. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. Share this video with friends and family who want easier cleaning routines. Drop a comment telling us which tip surprised you most, or share your own cleaning hack that works great for you. We build this community together, and your ideas help everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm Marcus, and I'll see you in the next video with more ways to keep your home fresh and clean without the stress.